Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of wellness and share valuable insights to help you live your best life. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss: the amazing health benefits of fasting for 16 hours a day. We all know that fasting has been practiced for centuries for religious and spiritual reasons, but did you know that it also has numerous scientifically proven health benefits? That's right, fasting for 16 hours a day, also known as the 16 to 8 fasting method, has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Benefit number 1, weight loss. If shedding those extra pounds is your goal, fasting for 16 hours a day can be a game changer. By restricting your eating window, you give your body a chance to tap into its fat stores for energy. It's like a natural fat-burning mode, and the results can be truly astonishing. Benefit number 2, improved insulin sensitivity. With the rise of conditions like diabetes, maintaining healthy insulin levels is crucial. Fasting for 16 hours a day can enhance your body's sensitivity to insulin, leading to more stable blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Benefit number 3, reduced inflammation. Inflammation has been linked to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain types of cancer. Fasting promotes autophagy, a natural cellular cleansing process that helps combat inflammation and promote overall wellness. Benefit number 4, enhanced brain function. Who doesn't want a sharper mind and better focus? Fasting triggers the production of a protein called BDNF, which stimulates the growth of new neurons and strengthens existing connections. So, if you're looking to boost your cognitive abilities, fasting might be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Wait, there's more. Fasting can also lead to improved digestion, increased energy levels, and even longevity. The benefits seem endless, don't they? Now, before you jump right into fasting, it's essential to do it the right way. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional and consider your individual needs and goals. Start slow and gradually increase your fasting duration. And of course, during your eating window, focus on consuming a balanced diet filled with nutritious foods to maximize the benefits. That's a wrap for today's video, my friends. We hope you found this exploration of the health benefits of fasting for 16 hours a day enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of wellness. Stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, take care.